welcome back to MotorMix, your trusted channel for everything automotive. Today, we're exploring a game-changer in the mid-size truck market, the 2025 Toyota Scout pickup. Combining rugged utility with modern comfort, the Scout is Toyota's bold entry into a highly competitive segment. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this exciting new truck. Exterior design built for adventure. The 2025 Toyota Scout pickup is designed to turn heads on and off the road. Its bold front fascia features a massive grille flanked by LED headlights with DRL accents, giving it an aggressive yet refined appearance. The squared-off wheel arches and muscular lines along the sides emphasize its rugged personality, while the skid plates and higher ground clearance highlight its off-road capabilities. At the rear, the Scout sports a sturdy tailgate with embossed Scout badging and vertical LED taillights that add a modern touch. Optional roof racks and all-terrain tires give the truck an even more adventurous vibe for those ready to explore the wild. Interior and cabin comfort where function meets luxury. Inside the Scout, Toyota has struck a perfect balance between utility and comfort. The cabin features high-quality materials like durable leather upholstery and soft touch accents on the dashboard. A large, user-friendly 12-inch infotainment display dominates the center console, seamlessly integrating with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Toyota's connected services. The Scout offers a spacious cabin, comfortably seating 5 adults. The rear seats are foldable, adding versatility for additional cargo space. Multiple storage compartments, a wireless charging pad, and USB-C ports ensure that both work and play are fully supported. Technology and features smarter workhorse. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Scout pickup with a range of advanced technologies to elevate the driving experience. It includes a customizable digital instrument cluster and an advanced 360-degree camera system, perfect for navigating tight spaces or off-road trails. Other features include keyless entry, push-button start, a premium JBL audio system, and a dual-zone climate control system. Safety remains a top priority, with Toyota's Safety Sense offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision system. Performance and capability ready for anything. The Scout is offered with 2 engine options, a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, and a hybrid powertrain for those who want fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For off-road enthusiasts, the Scout comes with an optional all-wheel drive system, locking differentials, hill descent control, and multiple drive modes tailored to different terrains. With a towing capacity of up to 6,500 pounds and a payload rating of 1,800 pounds, it's a truck that can handle your toughest jobs with ease. Bed utility built to get things done. The truck bed is designed with functionality in mind. It features a composite liner to resist scratches, a 120V power outlet, and integrated tie-down points. The bed also includes a modular rail system, allowing you to customize it for different cargo needs. Whether you're hauling construction materials or camping gear, the Scout has you covered. Pricing and variant, something for everyone. The 2025 Toyota Scout pickup comes in 3 trims: base, trail, and limited. Pricing starts at $28,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded limited trim with hybrid powertrain is priced around $40,000. Each trim offers a unique set of features, ensuring there's a Scout for every kind of buyer. Conclusion: the Scout leads the pack. The 2025 Toyota Scout pickup is a versatile, capable, and stylish mid-size truck that brings Toyota's legendary reliability to a new audience. With its impressive design, powerful performance, and advanced features, the Scout is built to take on both your daily grind and your wildest adventures. If you're looking for a pickup that delivers on every front, the Toyota Scout deserves a spot on your test drive list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotorMix for more exciting automotive reviews and updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you